Hi, I'm Rachel, and this is Steven.
And we're Custom Cleaning of the Palm Beaches.
Owning a cleaning business came very natural to me. My mother has owned a cleaning business in Martin County for over 30 years. I've always taken a lot of pride in my work, and I've taken it really serious. I love going into a house that is in need of a really good deep clean, and by the time we leave at the end of the day, it's sparkling. I find that very satisfying, as do the cleaning professionals who work for our business. The cleaning products that we do use are a hospital-grade disinfectant, which are going to be safe for your family and your pets.
All of our cleaning products are also eco-friendly. Everything is safe for the environment and safe for your family. We thoroughly vet all of our technicians, including background checks, to make sure that we would never send somebody into your home that we wouldn't have in ours. If you're looking for a high-end cleaning company that can service your apartment or your estate, Custom Cleaning of the Palm Beaches is for you.